tires for the Defender. I'm so excited. The 37s, 38s, they just ain't cutting it no more. And we want to go a little bit bigger, try something different. So stay tuned for that. We're heading to Joe's Tires now, and gonna go get some new tires put on these wheels for Wiley Hammock this weekend. We're actually gonna be testing them really soon. So super excited. You guys stay tuned. Hey guys, we're here. We made it to Joe's. Just got pulled in. They pulled the Defender into the garage and working on it, getting the tires switched out. This new setup. Huge shout out to Joe for getting me in today and taking care of me, getting these tires mounted before our ride here at Wiley Hammock this weekend. So let's go see what's going on in the shop. Oh man, super excited. What will it be? What am I gonna try? You guys don't even know. Oh crap. Woo. On blocks. That one won't mount. There it is, guys. Quad Boss came out with these tires, 680, 40 by 9.5 on a 20. Gonna be dope. All right, guys. Well, I showed you the wheels and tires. They got the front mounted on the machine already. Let's go take a look at them. It's gonna be sick. I think it looks awesome. Damn. Sick. Pretty huge. Wheel's really dirty. I'll get it cleaned up. That looks amazing. Looks like I got tons of room still. Damn. What do you guys think? Wait till we get this thing on all fours and check it out. That looks awesome. Alright guys, a new setup for 2022. I ain't gonna try to go much bigger than that. Again, huge shout out to Joe's Tire for hooking us up with these wheels, getting them to me quick, and getting them mounted in time for Wiley Hammock this weekend. Gonna be a good ride with lots of good people, lots of fun. So check out our ride this weekend, and look for the Defender to be killing it. Adam and Pete are coming with the 2 big Rubicons, so should be good. Lots of fun, awesome machines. Let's get this thing tied down to the trailer and head home, get it cleaned up, put the frame stiffener on it. I got doors to put on it, and get it ready for Wiley. Thank you guys for watching. If you need any tires and you are local to Northeast Florida, South Georgia, give Joe's Tires a call. He'll make sure to take care of you. Great prices. Great guy, friendly staff. Thank you guys.